Hi, this is Richard from the School of Nomads. In this review, I'm going to go through Flipping for Income. It's a new product on ClickBank. I'm going to show you inside the membership area, take you through the various parts of the product, and kind of explain whether I think this is a scam or whether I think this is worthwhile you purchasing. The product itself costs $99. If you decide to purchase, the first thing you'll do is go through the funnel, which is made up of 3 OTOs. One of them is a $77 membership. Then it's reduced by $10 in the second OTO. And then the third OTO is a reduction down to $47. So if you want to be a member, I'd wait for the third OTO because obviously it's a lot cheaper. So let's jump inside the membership area and see what we're getting for $99. So if I scroll down, there's the first part of the product is 3 ebooks, PDFs. First one of them is Thrift Store Reselling Secrets. Let's download that and have a quick look at the contents. So you see by the contents, they're giving you kind of the basics around the thrifting and the types of benefits that you get from buying products from thrift shops and then reselling them on sites like eBay. Trying to explain how you can find the best items. Second book is buy and resell hacks and items to look for. So in this, they're looking more around what kind of brands you need to avoid, lessons they have learned, and just trying to take you through some of the tools that they use. And then lastly, reselling your items, the 2 popular platforms. So in this, they're looking through the 2 biggest platforms that they use to resell items, which are Craigslist and eBay. As well as those 3 PDFs, you've also got 2 other products. One is Fiverr Gold and one is Content Flipping Profits. So Fiverr Gold is a course all around Fiverr, what Fiverr is, how you can make money with Fiverr, how you become a seller on Fiverr, how you can use it for arbitrage. So it's around about 10 videos that take you through the whole process of how you can make money with Fiverr. And then you've got an ebook on content flipping. So content flipping is taking you through how you can find PLR, repackage that PLR, like taking a PDF and making it into a video, and then selling it on forums. So I kind of don't like this strategy at all because I think it's very spammy when you're trying to sell things on forums. Unless you have a relationship with people that you're trying to build, posting a link to your latest PLR at a forum is never the greatest thing. So be careful if you're using a strategy like this. So the content area is divided into a number of months. Each month they're going to add more and more content. Obviously when you look at the OTOs, that'll be related to those chip as well. So I'll jump back over to the sales page. I wanted to give you an overall summary of the product and take you through. This strategy will work for some, this shop and then resell on eBay. Yes, that can work for some. The issue being I see is that you're up against a lot of competition on eBay for one, and a lot of very professional competition. These guys have set up these businesses that sell things in very, very high quantities to make money. If you were to do this, you would have to live in an area that had lots and lots of thrift shops, and you would be able to get hold of a lot of products that you could sell, unless you really try and find products that would sell for a big profit on a site like eBay. So it could work for some if you're really, really good at picking those types of products out. A particular niche that you got into that's very profitable, it could work for some. The products itself being $99, I personally would have liked a little bit more quality in the information that was given. So the 3 PDFs, I would have liked to see them maybe in video form, taking you through some over-the-shoulder type tutorials that show you how to set things up on eBay. Overall, I know for some people, I think this could be a good product that you could buy if this was the kind of thing you were interested in. Me personally, the way I make money online is by making kind of small tutorial videos. It's not really for me. I'd give this kind of a 5 out of 10 because, as I say, for some people, this could be a good strategy. This has been Richard. This is the schoolofnomads.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. And if you'd like to stick a comment below telling me what you think of this product if you purchased it, please go ahead. I'd be interested in seeing how you're getting on with it. And if you're interested in learning how to make money online by making small tutorial videos like the ones that you see in my channel, then check out the link in the description below. It'll take you over to my site, the School of Nomads, and then I'll take you through the strategy and explain how we do it.